start the day. You did a sweep. I had to rush off yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to. You gotta just try and keep on top of the dust. Especially if you're just trying to finish something off. Like I want to get that Ankor Wax. Over that front fender. I'm gonna put that yet. Yeah. It's been nice and dry in here, so got a bit of time I get before it starts to rust up at all. But we'll finish it off good on today. Also gonna just give the whole car a bit of a wipe. Just get the dust off it. Not much there. I also like to just spend a few hours in here. A couple of hours if you're lucky. Yeah, get the dust off it. Spend a couple of minutes just getting supposed to be fairly builder. Better about things. Start imagining what I'm thinking about what I'm going to do today. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing today. Removing more paint. Oh, pretty dusty up top. Gonna do some more paint stripping. Oh, that's the cycle I find myself in. Paint stripping, sanding, paint stripping, sanding. But I thought I might try and scratch it up a bit first. Like I did on the roof. That was before I started videoing. And the bottom. I don't want to go too deep. I don't want to put counters in your bodywork, so try and get the paint stripper. It needs to get under the paint. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing really. I don't know if it's deep enough or too deep. Scared the shit out of me the first time I did it. It was against everything. You don't scratch a man's car. I scratched her up a bit. See if that works. Yeah, I'll put a bill in. The less I sand you gotta do, the better. That paint stripper's doing his thing over there. I'm going to just try and get the little bits of paint. Doing it with the machine, so I'm just going to do the 80 grit. And I'm just trying to get it out. Spot it hard up. It's like they're not singing. Oh, yep. There I go. It's not perfect, but that's not what we're going for yet. Alright, I'll finish it off with the machine. I think it was that bit. These bits of bog here, I That's about to fall out, I think, so I'll just make... It's almost there. Yeah.
The Braxton cake again.
Check that fella out. He's a speed demon, this one. Nice work, pal.
Pardon?
Nice work.
Yeah.
I'm finished with the machine. Just these bits of paint in the door there. Can't get it, so I'm going to hit it with some 40 first, because I'm not worried about putting the paint door there. Yeah, it seems to be coming on. Alright. So I'm going to call it done on that panel for now, and I will Ankor Wax it pretty soon. I'll just make sure I'm not doing any more sanding before I do that. Let's see how this bloody... Oh yeah. Soggy there. Yeah, it's doing a bit. I'll go around and zhoosh it all up a bit, I think, see if I can get a bit more action. Let's see how... Yeah, I wonder if the scratching works. Maybe. Yeah, probably doing a bit more than usual. A whip on the back here. Alright, I'm going to juice it up. See if we can get a bit more action than we... I've only got a couple of sanding discs left. So, and also I don't want to get more dust on this thing before I Ankor Wax it. So I think I might just go paint strip it crazy. So I'm just going to rough this up. Scrunch it up like I did the other side. While I do all that, and I'm trying not to hit that. If I like that did a bit more, and if I can. Alright, let's strip some more paints. Jonesy.
I'm hungry.
Alright, mate, it might be a bit stinky in here though, mate.
Okay.
Garden stuff sticks. As soon as I put it on here, I'll go and get some meat. Mate, I swear that kid eats on the hour. Actually, he ate half an hour ago in a bowl of cornflakes. Bloody hell. He does burn energy though. Here's the door. If you do get the paint stripper, man, out of my leg, put my arm on it. Oh, after about 30 seconds, she really starts to sting. Oh, yes. Oh, I've actually got some on my elbow. I can feel it, man. I'm not stopping. I'll start zhushing this one around a bit. Shall I zhush it or shall I just get straight into the... I think I'll just get straight into stripping it, actually. I'm just mindful of the time. Yeah, because I've got the boy here. Don't get too long. Yeah, cool. Alright, let's strip some paint.
Ankor Waxer, see? And he's eating his little bit of meat.
So who won that battle? Yeah, I think it was pretty clear.
He ate.
Is that Triceratops?
Yeah.
Thought as much.
Well, this is the Professor,
What one more time?
the Chakasa.
The Chakasa.
Yeah. That's like Triceratops, but much, much, much bigger.
Alright, have fun, mate.
Back to the lab.
So I'm gonna get ready to put some Ankor Wax on this now. There's no dust. Haven't been sanding for a while. So I've got a clean cloth. I'm just gonna wipe it down with nothing on it to start with, just to get some dust off it. Yeah, I'm just gonna whack a bit of Perusular used to. I was thinking, not too much. Too much of that. Hey, can you ever have too much? Big greaser, I don't know, but. Get it nice and clean. I might even get another brand spanking new dry cloth and give it one more rub. There, it's always dust in. Yeah, it's the previous owner gave this to me. He hadn't put any on us yet. nearest thing about rat gauntlet. And stuff. I mean, I'm not using it as a final, like because I'm so slow. As soon as I've got like a panel done or whatever, I'm just whacking it on there. I'm not too fussed about, if, you know, who knows. Just know I have to get it on, or something on quickly before it rusts, so that's what I got. Ankor Wax. So you don't need a lot of it. I'm just talking to the camera, mate. Crazy like that. So just put that much. Skew it up.
Dad,
Yeah, mate.
can I hose that?
Close, eh?
No, the hose.
No, you can sweep up out there though if you want. Do you want a broom? There you go. Everything fine? Yes, mate. Good job. I'm almost done here. I'm almost done. It's on. And it's brown, but you don't even feel like you're really putting it on.
What? In the head.
There's nothing on the internet really about this stuff. A couple of videos. The Ankor Wax, Ankor. Look at it on the bottom. Maybe a week ago or 2 weeks. Seems to be. With a buff it. Well, I buffed it and it just like it just made that lounge wall buffer pad a bit scungy. I think I just got it too hot. As I said, I don't know what the other one doing. And now I need some more Ankor Wax though. Yeah, let's go nuts. Yeah, mate. Well, I'm going to put a bit more right there as well, because I reckon I'm sanded maybe a bit of the coat, the protective wax off. You finished off that panel, Ankor Wax, yes.
Wow.
More paint by a paint stripper. Like these panels here. A lot bit more off the roof by a paint stripper. It's been a pretty good paint stripper day. Not much off the back. Oh, put some on there, can take it off. I'll leave that, see what happens in a couple of days. More off that panel. Some more of the sides there. And this one, I think we'll be sanding that one next. All right. Till next time.